now I want to get to the bolt. I've already assembled some of the pieces. I've got the, I guess you'd call this the striker, which is part 13, and the spring, part 15, in, and then the pin, which is part 16. And also I have the firing pin, which, okay, I don't see it. Oh, it's right here. It's 14 and 15, and the spring, which keeps the firing pin back in the, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the spring keeps that firing pin back. And this, I call this the striker for lack of a better word, because it's two pieces. It's hammer fired, but this strikes the firing pin and it goes into the primer. Also, I put in the extractor and the extractor spring, and then there's another pin, and that's this pin here. So those are already in, and what I have to do next is get parts 17 and parts 18, which is, this is 17, and on the end of this there's a flat in two places, and they're on opposite sides. And I also need part 19, which is this. Part 19 has a little pocket in it on one side, and it's flat on the other, and you've got two flats. So how that goes is it clicks, you got the pocket towards the bolt, and this clips in like that, and you can see it doesn't come loose. It's the same with the other one. There's two of these. So you put the pin in, you put your spring on, and then I like to hold it up like this and slide it down, and with the I guess called counterboard side down is where the spring goes in, and then you're trying to find the flat, and that's held in. And you do the same thing with the other side. You slide the pin in, which again is part 18, and part 17, the spring. And then you just move it around until it's in the flat, and there you go. And this is your assembled bolt. I wish I would have done a complete assembly, but I got ahead of myself. And there's your extractor right there. Hopefully it shows up. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If I hold it against the light, maybe it will. Nope. Anyway, there's your extractor down there, your firing pin, and that's that. Now then, we're gonna, in the next video, we're going to put this together in the upper.